I want to have that long-term goal so embedded in my mind that I never lose sight of it. Ever. And those little tasks and projects and short-term goals that you tackle, they need to lead toward that strategic victory. And we get very caught up in instant gratification. We want results now. We want the shortcut to the winner's podium. Sometimes, when we don't get that short-term glory that we want, we lose track of those long-term goals. And you look up in 6 weeks or in 6 months or in 6 years, and you've made no progress. None. You never moved.
College I went to, all the kids knew how to play. Everybody could sing. But what was crazy was they could sing, but they didn't want to do it. I'm like, how you know how to do something and you don't do it? Like, that's odd to me. You have been blessed with a beautiful mind and you just woke up and was like, God, I ain't feeling it. Are you hearing me?
So many of you are moving and you're moving on 70% or 80%. So what happens to you is you're average or you're good, but you're not great or phenomenal. And if you can find whatever your greatness is, be that consistent. How many of y'all know you know what you like your best day is? You know what that looks like when you high. How many of you are like that 2 days out of the week? How many of you 3 days out of the week you like that? How many of you 4 days out of the week you like that? How many of you 5 days of the week you like that? How many of you 6 days of the week you like that? How many of you 7 days of the week you like that? Good, so here's what's happening. What's happening is you aren't you regularly. You aren't you. I don't really know what's happening, what's getting in your way, but you're not you. And so what I gotta do is I gotta get you to a place wherever your greatness is, I need you to stay there.